Ever wondered who the mastermind is behind some of the most innovative and entertaining science videos on YouTube? Meet Mark Rober, a former NASA engineer who traded rocket science for YouTube stardom. Mark's academic journey led him to Brigham Young University, where he earned a degree in mechanical engineering. His thirst for knowledge didn't stop there, leading him to an advanced study program at Stanford University. Mark Rober's journey began with a deep-rooted passion for science and innovation. But how does one go from working with NASA to becoming a YouTube star? Mark Rober, a name now synonymous with quirky science and fun experiments, was once a key player at NASA. For 9 long years he helped shape the future of space exploration, working on the Curiosity rover, a marvel of modern science. But, as it turns out, the stars in his eyes weren't just those in outer space. In the digital cosmos of YouTube, Mark found a new avenue to channel his passion for science. His journey began with a simple, humorous video. Gorilla scares the crap out of zoo visitors. This was his first viral hit, and it set the stage for a career that would make science fun and accessible to millions. With each new video, Mark's subscriber base grew, drawn in by his unique blend of humor, education, and creativity. From the quiet corridors of NASA to the bustling world of YouTube, Mark Rober found a new way to express his love for science. Mark Rober's journey is more than just a career shift, it's a legacy of innovation. His YouTube projects, like the notorious glitter bomb trap and the squirrel ninja course, aren't just for laughs. They're demonstrations of practical science, engineering, and problem solving. And beyond the laughs and learning, Rober uses his platform for good, orchestrating annual charity drives that make a real impact. In every project, every video, Mark Rober continues to inspire and educate, making science a thrilling adventure for all.